Hello guys, welcome to my unique net tech channel. Today we have a new Sapphire 3 device. It's called Sapphire 3 Global Hotspot. You see in my last video Sapphire 2 device, and today I have a newly launched device Sapphire 3 Hotspot, which one I'll show you and explain how to use and how many changes on that device and what the upgrades and everything. So please subscribe my channel and please watch full video to see what is the upgrades and how much the device and everything. So guys, I am going to unbox the device and the box. See the box, it is looks like, and the box is very handy. It's not not a very heavy or something. It's just a lightweight, and they build it like new iPhone 13 mini. It looks like that. So see, once you unbox you'll get paper clip, which is to open a SIM tray, and if you want to access the user manual, just scan this barcode through your camera phone on your phone camera. It will access user manual, okay, any information or anything. So this is our device now. See, it is looks like good. It has a network signal, battery signal, and Wi-Fi signal. It has four smaller lights, 1 2 3 4, that is network bars. See, it's very handy, very nice, small, very good, smooth, yeah, slim. See the name Sapphire 3. Also it is available with the USB-C charging port. Before it was a micro, and now they change it with C, and already the cable is inside, and there is a name, passwords. I put little tape to nobody can access the device right now. See the battery 3000 mAh, which is very good, and 11.4 watt. The power output is 5 and 2 ampere. Sapphire 3 hotspot. There is a power button you can turn on through the hold it and turn on. There is a SIM tray. Here is a SIM tray. So this is a SIM tool. Through that you can easily open that device, which is used to a physical SIM card. If you have a physical SIM card, see, it's good. It's smaller than iPhone 13 mini also, and the weight is also very good. Not quite weight, not heavy. It's easily handle and easily put it in pockets. Easily take it anywhere, wherever you travel, and you can use it easily. So I'm going to turn on the device, and I'll show you the speed and everything. Same app you can use it, the Sapphire Global app on the Play Store, App Store, and you scan this barcode to activate the device and link through the app to this device. Okay, if you have any issues or any problems, you can just comment me on the YouTube page on the same video. So now I'm going to turn on the device. Just hold the power button. It is going to turn on. It will take a little while, like first time whenever it's turn on, it will take 20 or 25 minutes to connect, because it will configure all the networks and everything. And once the configuration is done, you can connect the name and password through the device here. And same thing, if you want to change the name password, you can just go to the app and change it. So in app, whenever you change the name and password which was default on the device, whenever you change, make sure first you connect this device to your phone and then go to the app. That time you will get an option to modify name and password. If you not connect this device, you connected to any other Wi-Fi, and you access the app and you're going to change and you're going to modify the name and password, you will not able to change. But whenever you want to change, you have to connect the same device, and then you go to the app and you can easily modify. So guys, check it. I will connect this device to my phone, and I will show you the speed test and how this working everything. Please stay on my video. We will go on screenshot. Okay, guys, I will go to Wi-Fi setting and I will show you the device is connected with my phone, the same thing, same devices. Okay, now we are going to open the app speed test application, and we can do the speed test. Okay, also the speed is matter where you located, depend on the location. Sometimes you will get very good speed, sometimes if the network is not good, then you will get low speed. But in Kuwait, almost it's very good. The speed right now I'm getting very good speed. I can game, I can watch videos, I can stream everything. See, my speed is way better than the old one. The device is very nice, very good speed. See, this is a genuine speed. I'm not adding any clips or anything. It's front of you. This is my screen recording video. One more time, if you want, I will show you one more time the speed test. And I'm getting very good speed on Sapphire 3 device. Really, I love it because the speed is way better and very good, and the device is very slim. We can easily fit in our pocket, our bag, and easily handy to keep it with us. See, the speed is always upgrading, is always doing more. So I really love the device, and if you guys traveling, I'm going to recommend this device to you. You guys can easily keep the device in your pocket, and you travel any of the countries, you easily keep the device with you. And you know the application, through the app, Sapphire application, through this app easily you can buy a plan and easily bind the device from here. See, Kuwait, any country you go. So I hope you guys love my video, and you have any inquiries, any issues, anything, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. i will I will add more videos. I need your motivation to motivate me. Thank you guys.